Okay, welcome back. So today we're going to solve for a complex roots question. So before I start, just to remind everyone who has not yet subscribed this channel, please do so you don't miss the latest update. Thank you for that. All right, so we have the question. So we say Z is the complex number, but satisfy this equation. And Z is not equal to -1. So we want to prove U is Z plus, so we got Z plus 1 over Z is equation of solution of this. All right, let's do that. So we just substitute into the left using U is Z plus Z 1 over Z. So therefore we will achieve, so Z am I using just using Z to the power -1 square minus Z to the -1 minus 1. So we just put a brackets. So Z square minus 2 times by Z to the power -1 plus Z to the power -2. Then, excuse me, so then we will undo the bracket. Just one more step. That equates these two become 2. I'll put these two together, plus 2 minus Z minus 1 minus 1. So now we got the equation. So what I'll do is I'm going to click, actually these two we can put as 1. So leave this one. So therefore U square minus U simplified to Z square, and I'm going to put Z square down the bottom and minus Z minus 1Z and plus 1. So now I'm going to put a common denominator, which is Z to the power 2. So that one, so the first one will be Z to the power of 4. And that one's already 1. So next one will be minus Z power 3. The next one will be Z to the power of 2. And the next one will be, so this will be plus. And finally, plus 1. So we put a common denominator. So you can see this is on the numerator is the one, it's a sequence, negative Z square, negative Z to the power 3, and Z to the power 4. This forms a geometric sequence. So now we can, because that geometric sequence is S, first 5 terms is 1 minus, so the common ratio is negative Z. So therefore, so our sequence together will be, so this is the sequence addition. So the first 5 5 terms of sum. So it will be negative z to the power of 5 divided by 1 over negative z. So I'm going to replace, so therefore, my u squared minus u minus 1 becomes 1 plus, because that's equal to 1 plus z to the power 5 and 1 plus z. So therefore, this is 5 and z squared 1 plus z. Now, because z plus 5 to the power 5 is equal to 1, so that's the condition we are given. So therefore, we substitute, become u squared minus u minus 1 become 0 divided by z squared 1 plus z. So it'll be 0. So we proved. So what do? We use the geometric sequence, the sum, to prove this. So this is the important 5 terms. So the common ratio is a negative z. Very good question. So if you like the solution, please give us the thumbs up, and I'll see you next video. Bye.